Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. For today, I'm going to discuss to you the 3 things you need to do to stay happy. What makes you happy? Ano nagpapasaya po sa inyo? First, kung may birthday ka ba, kung may regalo ka ba, kung kasama mo yung mga friends mo, katabi mo, happy ka. Ang tanong ko, paano na kung wala ng occasion, wala na yung friends mo, wala ng gimmick mo, wala ng regalo sa'yo? Happy ka rin ba? You know what? All of us want to stay happy at all times. Sino mang ayaw, di ba? Pero sometimes, di ba? Hindi mo maiwasan na minsan madedepress ka, maboboard ka, di ba? You'll become sad. Alam niyo ba, in order for us to stay happy consistently, happiness should not be dependent on how we feel, or kasi kung feeling lang, alam mo, madalas yung feeling natin hindi maganda, mainis tayo, bababad trip tayo, hindi na tayo happy. Do you know, let me ask you this question, do you know that happiness is a choice? Choice siya. That's why if we want to stay happy, consistently happy, we need to choose to be happy. So ito yung mga tips ko sa inyo in order for us to stay happy. Number 1, you got to be thankful and be grateful and stop complaining. May kilala ba kayong mga tao talaga wala nang ginawa kundi magreklamo, di ba? Kakain lang di ba? Magrereklamo na wala naman pagkain, hindi masarap ang pagkain. Pag walang pagkain, nagrereklamo rin. Kung may pagkain, nagrereklamo rin. Having a thankful and a grateful heart, you know what? Create an atmosphere of happiness. Kaya dapat matuto tayong magpasalamat. Bawasan na natin pagrereklamo po natin. Traffic, syempre. Part of life yan. Diba? Tanggapin na natin until change is coming. Walang pagbabago. So when we allow complaints to fill our life, our hearts, and our mind, it kills our happiness. Huwag tayong maghanap ng mga bagay na wala tayo. Instead, why don't we be thankful and grateful for the things that we have? Second thing is what? Take responsibility and make no excuses. We are responsible for our own happiness. Hindi pwedeng isisi natin sa ibang tao kung ano nangyari sa atin. Uy, alam mo ba, ba't di ako masaya? Kasi yung friends ko, kasi yung relatives ko, kasi yung boss ko. You know what? You have already blamed everyone. The only person that you haven't blamed is no other than yourself. So it's very important that we need to take responsibility for our life. Whatever happens in our life, let us not find faults on other people. Let us not be a blame finder, but we need to be a what? Solution finder. Stop making excuses and start creating what? Happiness. And third, and not the last but not the least, I encourage you, start believing in yourself and never look down at yourself. God has given you and me the ability to produce wealth. God has given you and the ability to be talented. Why don't we use it for our advantage? Never ever believe other people tells you that you are good for nothing, you don't have a talent, you are not good. You know what? These negative thoughts, these negative words will rob you of your happiness. So please don't entertain it in your mind. Once that mind comes in, start to replay inside your mind. All you need to do is say what? Stop! Stop! Diba? Stop that mindset. That's a negative way of thinking. Stop that, what do you call this? Trying to what? Weigh you down. Because winners, okay, in life, always choose to think about the positive. They always eliminate the negative. And always remember, as I close, God does not create a loser. He only creates winners. Okay? He only creates winners. So I would want to encourage you, in order for us to become happy at all times, happiness is a choice. So what do? Be grateful and be thankful. Stop complaining. Take responsibility and start believing in yourself. Okay? My question to you today is, are you happy? Happy ka ba? Happy ka ba sa work mo? Happy ka ba sa life mo? Happy ka ba sa sitwasyon mo? And if you are not happy, instead of complaining, why don't you take control of the situation and ask yourself, what is stopping you, hindering you from being happy? Is it the people around you? Is it the situation? Or is it ourselves? This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive